Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be talking about the invasive species, the bush honeysuckle. Let's get to it. Bush honeysuckles are shrubs originally brought to the United States from Asia in the 1800s. People planted them because they grew quickly, had pretty flowers, and seemed useful for landscaping and erosion control. Today, they are considered one of the most harmful invasive plants in Illinois forests. Invasive bush honeysuckles spread aggressively and outcompete native plants. They leaf out earlier in the spring and stay green longer into fall than most native shrubs. This gives them extra time to absorb sunlight and grow. Over time, they can form dense walls of vegetation that block sunlight from reaching the forest floor. This helps reduce biodiversity and harms local ecosystems. The honeysuckle gain an advantage and have a longer growing season. One of the reasons these shrubs spread so easily is because of birds eating their bright red berries and scattering the seeds across forests, parks, and roadsides. However, their dense growth can reduce habitat quality for native insects and birds. An important clue to identify these is opposite branching. Most shrubs in Illinois have alternate branch sides as they grow, but bush honeysuckles have branches and leaves that grow directly across from each other in pairs. They also have features you can use to identify it. The leaves are simple, meaning each leaf is made of one singular blade. They are usually ovate and smooth edges called entire margins. They contain a visible center vein called the midrib and smaller veins branching out. Another key feature is the hollow pith. It is the soft center inside of the stem. Many native shrubs have solid stems, making this a notable difference. Due to their environmental impact, many Illinois conservationists work together to remove bush honeysuckle from forests and natural areas. You can manually remove it by cutting the shrubs and chemically treating the stump to prevent it from growing back. The honeysuckle might look nice in our yard and forests, but it spreads like wildfire and does more harm to native species than good, so you should try your very best to avoid spreading it and be aware of the negative effects.